In this video, I'm going to show you how to change units in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to go to the Manage tab up top, and then from here under Settings, you can see over here this button is going to say Project Units. So you can either click on this or press U and the N on your keyboard, and it's going to open up the project units. So to change these, of course, you want to select which units you want to change. So for example, if you want to go for distance over here, I'm just going to click on over here to format, and units can be changed, for example, from feet to something like meters over here, and then you can click on OK. Now we're going to do the same for length over here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go for from feet to centimeters over here, or meters as well. It's up to you. And then you can click on OK over here. Of course, you have a bunch of different options here as well, such as rounding, unit symbol, etc. And then when you're done, just click on the OK button, and you'll see that your units have been changed. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.